Did you ever dream of getting yourself a Ducati Diavel? Yes, we have as well. But shelling out 20 lakh rupees for one just seems out of reach, no? Well, if that's the case, Benelli might just have the answer for you. The good news is that it's almost 4 times more affordable. Welcome to Zig FF, where we are looking at the newly launched Benelli 502C, the everyman's Diavel. Almost. From the side profile, the Benelli 502 bears an uncanny resemblance to the Diavel. Right from its flattened headlight, rearward sloping fuel tank, its extremely scooped out rider's seat, and even its extremely short and sharp tail section. Heck, it's even got a trellis frame, albeit in black, and that belly cowl looks so much like the lower section of the Diavel's radiator. Where it really differs from the Diavel, of course, is its scale. It feels like a 80% scaled down version of the Italian power cruiser. And of course, from the front, the headlight shape looks quite different and almost a little unflattering. But that's enough comparison to the Diavel, we promise. So if you're enjoying this video, giving us a like will help us go a long way. And for more two-wheeler content delivered straight to you, hit that subscribe button as well as that little bell icon. Powering this 502 is a very familiar motor, a 500cc inline twin that we've experienced before on the Leoncino 500 and the TRK 502 Adventure Tourer. It's in the same state of tune too, making 47.5 PS and 46 Nm. Now this is not the most exciting of motors or even the torquiest of them, but it has proved itself to be very smooth and highly tractable, which should make the 502C a great urban cruiser. And if you did hit the highways, a fuel tank capacity of 21 liters should take you a decently long way. Like all Benellis, the 502C has fairly specced out underpinnings as well. As we mentioned, it's built around a trellis frame and features a fairly chunky 41mm upside down fork up front. It's not a light bike by any means, but still weighs almost 20 kilos less than the TRK 502. And to bring all this heft to a halt, it gets twin 280mm pedal disc brakes up front and a single 240mm pedal disc at the back. But the really surprising part here is that even though this feels like a somewhat compact motorcycle, it's got a massive 1600mm wheelbase that is exactly the same as the Italian power cruiser we said we wouldn't be comparing this to. Actually, at Rs 4.98 lakh ex-showroom, there's no real bike in India that the 502C directly compares to. Its closest competition in our market would probably be the Kawasaki Vulcan S, but that's got a larger, more powerful engine and it's 1.12 lakh rupees more expensive as well. It would actually go up well against the yet to be launched Honda Rebel 500, but then again, given Honda's track record of pricing their mid-capacity bikes in India, we don't think it'll pose any threat to this particular Benelli. But what do you guys think? Do you think this urban cruiser will fill a niche in our market, or will it just fizzle out? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to check out a road test review of the 502C, then stay tuned to Zig Wheels. As always, thank you so much for watching.